Hey RF hackers, it's Troy with another edition of Hacker Warehouse TV. Today in Toolkit, we're going to check out yet another radio dongle, the Yardstick 1 from Great Scott Gadgets. First off, it's important to note that the Yardstick 1 is not a software-defined radio device. The Yardstick 1 is, however, a powerful wireless test tool that can transmit and receive digital wireless signals, allowing you to easily audit wireless remote devices like keyless entry systems and more. Originally based on the Toolkit 14 badge and using the same radio circuit as Mattel's famous pink pager and Texas Instruments CC1111, the Yardstick 1 was created as a restructured and more user-friendly test tool to conduct audits and research on wireless transceivers. When you purchase the Yardstick 1 bundle from Hacker Warehouse, you get the USB dongle, the ANT700 telescopic antenna, and a sweet 3D printed case to protect your device from damage. The Yardstick 1 is a full-speed USB 2.0 dongle and measures 3 by 1 by 0.3 inches. It comes with RFCat firmware already installed, which is similar to the CAT or NetCat program on Linux. It allows you to control the device from an interactive Python shell, or it can be incorporated into your own personal programs. The Yardstick 1 operates in the sub-1 GHz frequency range and holds strong RF performance across the entire operating band. It also features a low-pass filter for elimination of harmonics when operating between 800 and 900 MHz. The device is ready for a good fit compatible expansion and a programming header, as well as Gimme compatible programming test points. The firmware for the Yardstick 1 can easily be found on the RFCat or Great Scott Gadgets GitHub repo. Since the Yardstick 1 comes with everything you need to get started, you don't need to worry about additional accessories. But if you need a higher performance antenna, make sure you purchase one that has an SMA connector. As for resources, be sure to check out the Yardstick 1's wiki page on GitHub for starter information, firmware updates, and design files. Well, that wraps up the Yardstick 1 edition of Toolkit. Leave us a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, and give the episode a thumbs up. Once again, this is Troy with Hacker Warehouse TV, and until next time, remember, keep it between the walls.